How to ask questions on Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I'm Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Firstly, open your Instagram app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. Now your home page appears. At the top left corner, you can find this plus icon, your story. Tap on it. Now your camera will open up. For the background picture or video, you can easily tap on this icon and shoot it or click it. Likewise, you can also choose it from the gallery. In the case you want to choose from the gallery, you can tap on this icon given at the bottom left corner and select it. For now, I'm just gonna click a black background. After you select the background, at the top you will find different icons. Tap on the smiley icon. Now from here, you have to select this option of questions. Tap on it. Now tap on this option, ask me a question, and here you can just type in the question that you want to ask. And after you are done with your question, you can just tap on done. And you can tap on this your story option. It is in the process to be uploaded, and again you can check it. Here you can see that I just asked a question in my Instagram story. This is how you ask a question on Instagram story. I hope now you guys are clear about it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.